Revolut, how to withdraw money. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can withdraw money on Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to withdraw your money on Revolut, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is basically launch the Revolut application here and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And once you are logged into your account, to withdraw money, make sure that you have enough balance on your Revolut app, and then after that you can just come to the transfers page over here. There are many ways to withdraw money. You can tap the get started option and then you can directly send it to your bank account. As you can see, one of the options that says bank recipient in this case. Now if you don't want to do this and you might have also already linked your bank account previously, then you can just come to the home tab, select the option called linked. Make sure you link your bank account so that next time you can easily send money without having to enter your details every time. So you can also link your bank account and directly withdraw money in that manner as well. And that's all it takes to withdraw money from Revolut. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.